human world before Johnny's gone forever.
But what about the sun?
I don't know. I'll just have to roll.
He just rolls. Rollability.
So we follow his blueprints. When they run out, that's where you come in, Wayne.
Me?
There! Yes, I knew something would fall out of that backpack. Youch! That stinks! Work your magic.
Wait, you want me to track the smell? No. My sniffing tracking days are way behind me. Do you know how many diapers I've changed? How many number 2s have destroyed this thing? But... Smell. I said smell. Not me, the shirt! The shirt!
Do any of your kids still respect you?
Give me a second. Oh, yeah. Winnie! Front and center!
He got into a car at 86 p.m. It needs a little transmission work, but otherwise okay. It drove through town to the airport. Flight 497, 8 a.m. departure.
That's in 15 minutes.
Seat 23A. He ordered a vegetarian meal.
Okay, thank you, cutie. Now all of you, go back to your mother. Chief!
Woo! High five! Don't leave me hanging.
Oh, lots of cheese!
I got this one. Ooh. What? Now there's no sheep in the road. Let's go.
That was pretty sick, man.
You eat lamb chops. It's the same thing. We don't have time for this. Come on, let's move it.